The inner flange is one of two flanges used to secure the grinding disc to your grinder. The inner flange has a 5/8" non-threaded hole, a recess milled in it that engages with the spindle, and a 7/8" hub to accept standard grinding wheels. Over time, the hub can wear, causing the grinding wheel to wobble. Replacing the inner flange is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the grinding wheel. I lock the spindle with the spindle lock button, and then use the wrench to remove the lock nut. Behind the grinding wheel, we find the inner flange, and I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I can install the new inner flange. The side with the recess goes against the gearbox. The other side has a 7/8 hub that lines up with the grinding wheel. I rotate the flange until it aligns with the spindle, and now I can reinstall the grinding wheel. When you're working with the thinner wheels, if you install the lock nut with the hub against the hub on the inner flange, it'll create a gap between the two flanges and it won't secure the wheel. If you turn it over to the flat side, the two flanges come tightly together so you can secure those thinner wheels. Because I'm installing a thicker grinding wheel, I'll install the lock nut so the hub is towards the gearbox. I'll lock the spindle with the spindle lock and secure the nut with the wrench. And that's how easy it is to install a new inner flange on your grinder.